Let's take a look at this morning's morning move. It was all in crude oil. What a fantastic move we had in oil, guys. Guys, do not forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to be updated on these early morning moves and me showing you exactly what we were looking at. Nice £1,300 profit today on oil, okay? Now, oil was on the radar from last night's Scan Club with members. And the reason was the 1 hour time frame, we'd had some nice buy signals on Monday afternoon, green pro trend system buys, and then a little pullback overnight while we're sleeping, tucked up in bed. And then when we woke this morning, 6 a.m., 7 a.m., we've got green buy signals already. So look, we're just keeping it simple. All we're looking for then is green buy signals. We are not taking any reds because the bigger time frame is green. We want to then combine that with a green on the smaller time frame. Okay, so if you caught these this morning, little scalp trades, be careful of the spread if you're spread betting these markets pre 8 a.m. and then we get this sort of red down move. We get a little double bottom here, and then it all kicks off a little bit later than normal in the morning move. Normally the morning move is 7 till 9 o'clock, but you tend to get, and the DAX obviously done a great move at 8 a.m. to the short side today, but you can see here oil didn't kick in for that morning move until around 8:30. Nice push, nice green pro trend system, momentum turned up, little pullback on the pro OBS, and then we just literally took off for 40 points. Then we did a lower high, sold off on the red side, and instantly, buyers stepped back in here with a green pro trend system and Storyteller and Tracks for another 20-point move, sitting at $72. You can see how it come off of $72 here. I tell you so often around round numbers, just be careful trading around round numbers. They're big psychological areas. Crude oil here, $72. Just fell away here a little bit. Okay, so really nice day today. My focus was on crude oil, and what a really good move it was. All right, so that's the morning move in oil. We could talk about the DAX, but we'll leave that to another time because that was an absolute belter on the short side this morning. That's today's morning move. Hope it helps, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye bye now.